Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command prompt window you plan to change. Right-click the title bar and choose Properties to jump straight to the settings that control appearance. Once done, make sure to note that available fonts are limited to raster or true type options registered for the console. This explains why some system fonts won't appear. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the Font tab and be ready to pick size and type to affect readability and line wrapping. You'll now select the actual font and size. In the Font tab, pick a console-compatible true type or a raster font, choose the size, and confirm the script. The preview shows how text will render. If the font you want is missing, install it in Windows and restart Command Prompt so it registers. Once done, make sure to decide whether to click Defaults to apply system-wide changes or OK to change only the current shortcut or window. This controls scope and prevents unexpected system-wide tweaks. Finish by applying changes and restarting the command prompt to confirm the new font persists. If it doesn't appear, you'll need to install a compatible true type font and possibly add its name to the console registry key that lists available fonts. This is why some fonts never show up. Once done, make sure to test different sizes for line wrapping. Key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, run System File Checker with sfc/scano and verify font folder permissions so the OS can read the new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.